Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to learn the topic bigger and smaller number. It is a very easy topic. In this video we learn that how to find out smaller or bigger numbers in 6 or 7 digit numbers. You have learned how to do that with 5 digit numbers. See, I write here two numbers 23,059, 23,459. Seeing these two numbers, we can tell which number is bigger and which is a smaller. We can easily find out which is a bigger number. So, how can we find these numbers? See, when we compare 5-digit numbers for finding which number is bigger or smaller, first we see on the digit of the 10,000 place. If they are same, then we see at the 1000 digit. If they are same, then we see on the 10,000 place and so on. So, see here, in this number, digit on the 10,000 places are same. Here is 2 and here is also 2. They are same. Then we see the digit and in the 1000 place. See, here is 3 and here is also 3. They are again same. Then we see at the 100 place. Here is 0 and here is 4. So, how is 4 to 0? 4 is bigger than 0. So, this number is bigger number. For that, we have two symbols. For showing which number is bigger or smaller. Before start the topic, see how can we use these symbols. We understand symbols from left to right side. See here. On the left, we see 2 points. How many points? 2 points. And on the left side, we see 1 point. So, 2 is bigger than 1. 2 is bigger than 1. So, this symbol is for bigger than. We read it as 2 bigger than 1. We read from left to right. See the another example. See here. I write 6 and 3. 6 is bigger than 3. We read it as 6 bigger than 3. Now see the second symbol. See here, this sign faces the other way. We go left to right. See, on the left, there is 1 point. There is 1 point. And on the right side, there are 2 points. So, 1 is smaller than 2. So, this symbol is for smaller than. See here, one more example. Here, I write 5. And 5 is smaller than 10. We read it as 5 smaller than 10. And this is 1 smaller than 2. We read from left to right. Now come to our topic. For understanding how to compare 6 or 7 digit numbers, we understand through the example. See the first example. These both numbers are of 6 digit numbers. So, remember, when we compare 6 digit numbers, first we have to look at the lag digit. Here, the digit on the lag places are same. Here is 7 and here is also 7. They are same. Then, we look at the 10,000 digit. They are same. Then we see the digit and the 1000 place. Here is 2 and here is 0. So, how is 2 to 0? 2 is bigger than 0. So, this number is a bigger number. So, here we use the sign bigger than. And we read it as 7,82,899 bigger than 7,80,799. We see the another example. See here. These both are the 6 digit numbers. Then see on the digit at the lag place, here is 5 and here is 5. They are same. Then we see the digit and in the 10,000 place. Here is 3 and here is 4. So, how is 3 to 4? 3 is smaller than 4. So, this number is smaller number. So, this number is a smaller number, and here we use the sign smaller than. We read it as 5,34,777 smaller than 5,44,823. We take one more example. See here, this is a 6-digit number and this is a 7-digit number. So which number is bigger and which is the smaller? Obviously 6-digit number is a smaller number. See, remember, when we can tell which number is bigger and which number is smaller just by looking at the number of digits. See, when we read it as 3,99,728, and this is a 66,35,854. So this is a 66 lakhs and this is a 3 lakhs. So this number is a bigger number and this is a smaller number. So this number is bigger number and this is a smaller number. So here we use the sign smaller than, and we read it as 3,99,728 smaller than 66,35,854. We see the next example. See here, these both are the 7-digit numbers. So when we compare a 7-digit number, first we look at the 10 lakhs digit. If they are same, then we see at the digit in the lakhs place. If they are same, we see the digit at the 10,000 place. If they are same, then we see the digit at the 1000 place, and in this way we will continue. See here in this example, here the digit at the 10 lakh places are same. Here is 5 and here is 5, and in the lakh place here is 4, here is 4. They are same. And in the 10,000 place, here is 9, here is also 9. They are again same. In the 1000 place, here is 6 and here is 9. So how is 6 to 9? 6 is smaller than 9. So this number is a smaller number. And here we use the sign smaller than. We read it as 54,96,481 smaller than 54,99,818. Now after that we solve the problem set 6, which is based on it. See question number 1. Write the proper symbol smaller than or bigger than in the box. See here, what we have to do here? We have to tell which number is bigger or smaller in these two numbers. In these two numbers, we have to compare these two numbers and tell that which number is bigger or smaller. See the first one. First one is 5,705 and here is 15,705. So this is a 4-digit number and this is a 5-digit number. So obviously this number is smaller number. So here we use the sign smaller than. So 5,705 is smaller than 15,705. Now see the next. See, these both are the 7-digit numbers. So we compare the places. See here, we read it as 22,74,705 and this is a 12,74,705. So here is 2 in the 10 lakh place and here is 1 in the lakh place. So this number is bigger number. This number is a bigger number. So here we use the sign bigger than. We read it as 22,74,705 bigger than 12,74,705. Now see the next one. See, these both are the 7-digit numbers. So we have to compare the places. See, in the 10 lakhs place, here is 3 and here is also 3. In the lakh place, here is 5, here is also 5. In the 10,000 place, here is 3, here is also 3. They are again same. Then in the 1000 place, here 3 and here is 2. So 3 is bigger than 2. So this number is bigger number. Here we use the sign bigger than and we read it as 35,33,302 bigger than 35,32,302. Now see the next one. See, this is a 5-digit number and this is a 6-digit number. So, how is 5-digit number to 6-digit number? Obviously, 5-digit number is smaller than 6-digit number. So, here we use the sign smaller than and we read it as 99,999 is smaller than 9,99,999. Now see the next one. See here, this is 4,80,009 and this is 4,90,008. So these both are the 6-digit numbers. So here we compare the places. See here, at the 10 lakh place, here is 4. Here is also 4. And in the 10,000 place, here is 8 and here is 9. So, this number is a smaller number because 8 is smaller than 9. So, this is a smaller number. Here we use the sign smaller than and we read it as 4,80,009 is smaller than 4,90,008. Now see the next one. Next is these both are the 7-digit number and this is a 35,80,177. This is 35,88,172. So here we compare the places. See here. Here is 3 in the 10 lakh place. Here is also 3 in the 10 lakh place. So we compare the digits at the lakh places. Here is 5. Here is also 5. Then we see at the 10,000 place. See, here is 8. Here is also 8. Then we see the digit at the 1000 place. See, here is 0 and here is 8. So, how is 0 to 8? 0 is smaller than 8. So, this number is a smaller number. So, here we use the sign smaller than. We read it as 35,80,177 smaller than 35,88,172. Now see the question number 2. See here, solve the problems given below. 1. The Swayamsiddha Saving Group made 3,45,000 papads while the Swabhimani Group made 2,95,000. Which group made more papads? So, the Swayamsiddha Group, how many papads made? They made 3,45,000 and the Swabhimani Group, they made 2,95,000. So here we have been asked such a question, which group made more papads? So for finding out which group made more papads, we have to compare these two numbers and find which number is a bigger. So see here, this is a 3 lakh and this is a 2 lakh. So 3 lakh is a bigger. So the answer is the Swayamsiddha Group made more papads. So answer is Swayamsiddha Saving Group made more papads. Now see the next question. Children of the primary school in Ahmednagar district collected 2 lakh seeds while those in Pune district collected 3,25,000. Which children collected more seeds? Here, children of Ahmednagar district, how many seeds they collected? 2 lakh. And children of Pune district, they collect 3,25,000. This means that the children in Pune district have collected more seeds. They collect 3,25,000. So the answer is children of the primary school in Pune district collected more seeds. Now see the next one. The number of people who took part in the Republic Day flag hosting ceremony was 2,01,306 in Pandharpur Taluka and 1,97,208 in Marshiraj Taluka. In which taluka did a larger number of people participate? See here we have to tell that in which taluka more people have participated. So in Pandharpur Taluka, how many people participate? 2,01,306, and in Marshiraj Taluka 1,97,208. We can easily tell that in the Pandharpur Taluka more people have participated in the Republic Day hosting ceremony because this is a 2 lakh. So the answer is in Pandharpur Taluka did a larger number of people participated. Now see the next question. See here, question number 4. At an exhibition, the Annapurna Saving Group sold goods worth 5,12,345 rupees. The Nirman Group sold goods worth 4,12,900 rupees. This figure was 4,33,000 rupees for the Shrujan Group and 5,11,937 rupees for the Savitribai Phule Group. Now see, here the information is given, and on the basis of this information we have to give the answers of this question. See, the first question is which group had the largest sale. So you have to find out which group had the largest sale. For that you have to compare these figures and find out which figure is the bigger. Now see the second. See here, which group had the smallest sale. For finding which group had the smallest sale, again you have to compare this figure and find which figure is the smaller. Then the third question is write the sales figure in ascending order, and you know ascending order means from smallest to largest. So here you have to compare this figure and arrange these figures in ascending orders. So you have to solve this question by yourself. Now I am giving you homework. See here, write a proper symbols smaller than or bigger than in the box. What you have to do here? You have to find out which number is bigger or smaller. You have to compare these two numbers and find which symbol comes here. So here we completed the topic bigger and smaller number, also the problem set 6.